Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to crop image on Filmora application. Cropping an image in Filmora app is a simple process, and here is how you can do it. First of all, install and open Filmora application on your preferred mobile device. From the main home page, click on the New Project button and import the image you want to crop by selecting it from your camera roll or other resources. Once you select an image you'd like to crop, click on Import at the bottom right corner. You will now be taken to the editing screen. Tap on the image on the timeline on the middle, like that, and then scroll through the Tools menu at the bottom and choose Crop option right next to Style. Adjust the cropping frame by dragging the corners or the side to select the area you want to keep. You can also go ahead and use the aspect ratios option at the bottom from the provided templates. And after you are done with your cropping, click on tick mark at the top right corner. Tap on the export button at the top right corner of the screen and choose your desired export setting and save the cropped images to your camera roll or share it directly to other social media platforms. And that's how you can crop an image on Filmora application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.